Hello students, in previous class we have seen about a preparation of petty cash book. So I had told you petty cash book means in this book we are going to record petty transaction. Petty transaction means nothing but small transaction. Okay, so here I have given one question. So previously I had sent you, so hope that you are written. Prepare petty cash book from the following transaction under impressed system. Okay, so here first one, on 1st July 2017 received rupees 2000 impressed amount from the head cashier. So main cashier had given 2000 rupees to the petty cashier. Okay, then on 2nd auto fare rupees 155, on 3rd courier service 140 rupees, on 5th eraser sharpener pencil 105 rupees, on 6th speed post charges 98 rupees, on 28th refreshments 195 rupees, and on 31st computers stationery rupees 165. Okay, so here I have prepared a petty cash book format. So once we'll see how many columns are required under analysis of payments. So one is auto fare. Auto fare means it will be, we are going to take it as a traveling expenses, traveling allowances. Okay, so auto fare is a traveling expense. Next, that is one. Then courier service. Courier service, that means normally we call it as a post, right? Courier andre post andre ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So second one is postage, and third one eraser sharpener pencil. So what is this? This is nothing but stationery. Oh, right? Eraser, sharpener, pencil, pen, scale, so all those are stationery items. So stationery, third. Then speed post charges. So speed post comes under postage. So that is already there. And next refreshments. So refreshment means okay, the customer, it is to the customer or some refreshment, tea ella tandu kottadu. So with this we normally take it as a miscellaneous expenses. Miscellaneous expense is nothing but itara kharchu, itaragalu. Okay, and computer stationery. So here they are given it as a stationery, so that will comes under stationery. So how many columns? Traveling expense, postage, stationery. This is also postage, already it is there. This is miscellaneous expense, and computer stationery is a stationery. So only 4 columns. Okay, so I have drawn 4 columns. So we will give name. First one, traveling expenses. First column is traveling expenses. Then second one is postage, and third one stationery, and third one stationery, and fourth one miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so here we have to give symbol, rupees symbol, because here we are going to write amount. Okay, so now format is ready. What is that? First column is common column, amount received, date, particulars, voucher number, amount paid. So these are the common columns, and next analysis of payment. Under that we have to write 4 columns for this sum, this particular sum. Okay, first amount received. So for that what we take? Amount received in this side. So in particulars column we take it as a to cash account, to cash account, and it is for amount received. How much amount received? 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees, that is for received 2000 rupees from the head cashier. Okay, next auto fare. Auto fare, it is a payment, it is a payment. So okay, first one is on 1st of July 17. Okay, next auto fare on 2nd of July, on 2nd July auto fare, it is a payment. So buy auto fare, auto charges, auto fare andre auto badige. Okay, how much? 155 rupees. So amount paid is rupees 155 rupees. So it comes under traveling expense. So we have to write under traveling expense. Next, what about postage? It is not postage, stationery, these are nil. Next, on third, what is there? Courier service. Courier service, So it is a payment. So 3/7 of July, courier service, by courier service. How much? 140 rupees. So amount paid is rupees 140. So it comes under postage. So we have to write under postage 140 rupees. So these are the dash. Next, eraser, sharpener, pencil. So what is that? That is nothing but that is a payment expense, that is on 5th of July, by eraser, sharpener, pencils. How much rupees? Amount paid is rupees 105. So it comes under stationery. So stationery 105 rupees. So other column dash, nil. And next, on 6th, speed post charges. So speed post charges on 6th of July, by speed post charges. How much? 98 rupees. So it is under 90, it is an amount paid 98 rupees, and that is also postage. So we have to write under postage. So other columns dash. Okay. And next, refreshment on 28th of July, refreshment. So 28/7, by refreshment 195 rupees. So amount paid is 195, and it is we take it as a miscellaneous expense. Miscellaneous and itara kharchu 195. So the column dash. And last one, on 31st, computer stationery. So on 31st of July, by computer stationery 165 rupees. That is amount paid. So this we record under stationery. Stationery under now record ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ 165. So other column dash. So now what we have to do? Now we have to make total. Okay. So we have to make total 155 rupees, 140 rupees, 105, 98, 195 and 165. So these are the total amount paid. So first what we have to do? We have to make a total of these columns. So here total is 195. So this total 105 plus 165, total 270. Next, 140 plus 98, 238. Next, this one 155. And now this total and this total should, here we have tried, means any one, both should be same. That is 105, 140, 105, sorry 155, 140, 105, 98, 195 and 165, and total is 858. Same, this should be same. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 858 ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ 2000 rupees, but we have spent 858 rupees. So now what is the remaining that is balance with us? Remaining balance is rupees 2000 minus 858 means 1142 rupees will be remaining. So that amount is a by balance carried down. By balance carried down, how much difference? 1142. This much balance is remaining in our hand on 31st/7, that is end of the month. So total both the side 2000 and 2000. This is the total. Next you have to bring it to the next month, that is on 1st of August 18, to balance brought down. This amount we have to bring it to the other side, 1142. This is the balance at the opening balance for the next month. So this is what petty cash book what we prepare. Okay, so like this we have to prepare. So hope that whatever questions I have sent, that you are going to solve, you can solve it now. Thank you.